Yo, what's going on, guys? Miguel here. Before I get into this training video, I want you guys to go over and subscribe to my travel channel, link in the description below. I want to show you guys the power of Forex trading, right? And what it can do for you. It can literally take you anywhere in the world if you put in the work. It can literally put you in a position to travel whenever, wherever you want. Obviously, because of coronavirus, COVID, I haven't been traveling as much, but I want you guys to see the power and follow me on this journey. I will be giving away a free flight anywhere in the world, guys, on this channel. So let me know where you guys want to go in the comments below. Send me a screenshot that you did subscribe, turn on post notifications. But without further ado, let's jump right into this training video. Let's go.
Dropped out, ain't never get a job. Bitch, I'm independent, real raw.
What's going on, guys? Miguel here, back with another video. I'm super excited to bring you this video because I get this question quite often, and that's pretty much what's the best time frame to focus on, what's the best time to trade on, right? And you know, I always generally say like the higher the time frame the better, because it's the stronger the trend, you know, the stronger the opportunity, the more, you know, kind of whole opportunity, if that makes sense. But I just want to go deeper into that topic because a lot of times people kind of either miss opportunities because of it, or they kind of just are still a little bit confused, right? They're still a little bit confused of what that even means, of like focus on higher time frames, and they're stressed out because like they're missing opportunities because they're either at work or they didn't get the confirmations they needed to enter the market. So I have 3 highlighted in rectangle boxes opportunities or trends that kind of happen, and I wanted to use these examples to kind of go a little bit deeper into what I mean by focusing on higher time frames, but also how you can kind of understand if you need to focus on this time frame, or you need to go up, or you need to go down a time frame, because a lot of times people miss opportunities just because of the fact that they're just focused on that one time frame and they're set on it, and they're not willing to adjust if the market is, you know, being the market. The market is in control at the end of the day. You need to adapt to the market, right? You're not gonna just, you know, make an analysis and then just be like, yo, this is my analysis, the market works for me. You work for the market, if that makes sense, right? You need to adjust to the market, and I'm going to help you do that in this video. So guys, with these 3 examples, pretty much I'm going to be talking about how sometimes in the market there's too much noise and sometimes there's too little noise, believe it or not. And what I mean by that is sometimes you need more information to be able to take your trade, right? So I'm going to talk about these examples right here. You see that it is dropping heavily, it rose heavily, and it rose right there as well. So first of all, you want to zoom in a little bit and kind of see the information. Now this one's decent. It dropped, pulled back, continued. But what about this one? Like most people, you know, want a bigger pullback than this. But at the end of the day, you need to understand the market is in control, and it all has to do with momentum. So there's a lot of momentum. There's a lot of sellers' momentum in the market right here for it to continue to pull back even more. So it didn't even want to pull back anymore. It just continued, right? That's what you need to kind of be on the lookout for. It's not going to always be the same pullback. It's not going to be the same you know, correction. You need to adapt. And pretty much what I'm looking at, all these, they kind of have similar kind of situations where it corrected a little bit, continued, in some cases just kind of looked like it was consolidating slowly to the downside, and then small correction continued. That's that example. And then over here, nice little break, retest, continue, small correction right here, continue, sideways consolidation, continue, right? The same pattern. They're all pretty much showing the same situation, same kind of patterns within them. And then right here, you see so much momentum to the upside that you wouldn't have been able to catch it unless you were like looking right here. But you know, what happens if you miss the opportunity? Say the market's already moving and you're like, damn, I wish I would have caught it, because this is a decent move, right? It's a 4-hour trade. Great move. So pretty much I'm going to go back to the first one, and in each scenario you need to kind of like understand, do I need to go down a time frame? Do I need to go up a time frame? Given that we're on the 4-hour time frame, I wouldn't go up to the daily to look for like obviously more, like less noise, because we need more noise in these situations, because the pullbacks are so small that we need more information, and that means by more information we need more candles, right? We need more candles. So from the 4-hour, I'm going to go down to the 2-hour to see if that's enough information, if that makes sense, because right now on the 4-hour, each candle is 4 hours, right? But if I go to the, you know, the 2-hour, Each candle is 2 hours, meaning I'm gonna have more candles because I'm going down. It's breaking it down by more candles. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out, kind of go step by step, and right here, now we see a little bit more information. Boom, drop, a little more information, drop, a little more information, drop. Perfect. That's decent, right? So then we see right here as well. Look at this, guys. Before, I want you guys to see, because I want you guys to see that push, pull back, push, a little bit more information, kind of gives you a little bit more structure, a little bit more opportunity to get into the market, especially with this one. This one's key because this one, even on the 2 hour, you need more information. So let's go down to the 1 hour. Boom. Let's go down to the 1 hour. We'll find the box like this. There we go. See, on the 1 hour, you get way more information, right? Boom, pull back, boom, pull back, boom. So you see a little bit more. And this is something that just a quick little tip that you guys can do to implement in your trading, because I understand sometimes it can get frustrating when it feels like there's so much momentum that you miss the opportunity. Like right here, especially this one right here, guys. I just quickly pick these, so it's just one of those things where I just want to give you some value. But pretty much this happens all the time in the market, where there's a lot of momentum happening in the market, so that we need to kind of figure out, oh, do we need to go down a time frame? Because at the end of the day, we need to find, we need to understand that the higher the time frame, the stronger the trend. We understand that the higher the time frame, that's where it's going, where price should be going. But we need to get a good entry and not miss the opportunity. Okay, because in this case, we would have missed it. Boom, we would have missed the opportunity because there's no real, it doesn't look like a pullback. Any of these don't look like a pullback. They're just, it's straight momentum to the upside. But if you go down to the 1 hour, right, if you go down to the 1 hour, in this case, in this specific situation, right, everything is case by case. You need to kind of know, okay, do I need more noise or do I need less noise? In this case, we needed more noise, aka more candles. So boom, push to upside, pull back, push, pull back, push. We see more happening in the market. That's pretty much what I'm trying to get out of this, so you guys can understand that. Don't just stick to the 4 hour and expect it to always be the best time frame for that certain push, right? The market pushed great right here based on the 4 hour, but we would have missed it unless we were getting in right here in these areas. And even then, it just looks like pure consolidation. Say you're not on your charts, you miss it right there. You want to be able to re-enter and at least catch half of the opportunity, and you would have been able to do that based on the 1 hour, getting a nice little entry opportunity right around here. Boom. Right, and then just hold it. Same thing if you missed this opportunity right here, we would have got in right here, got this little push right there. So I had 3 examples, so I kind of just want to go through all of them. So that one would have been, the first opportunity would have been best on the 1 hour because we needed way more information. And then this middle one, let's check it out. So is the 2 hour enough noise? Let's check it out. The 2 hour, yeah, in this case the 2 hour would have been perfect. So push, pull back, enter right there, boom, pull back, hold, right? So that's great for that one. Let's go back to the 4. Let's look at this last one right here. So this one has a lot of seller's momentum. Then we go down to the 1 hour, and let's go ahead and check that one out to see what it needs. So this one's perfect right here on the 1 hour. It has a lot of momentum to the downside. I want to go back and forth from the 1 hour and the 2 hour. So 1 hour looks like quite a bit of noise, right? A lot of candles. So I'm going to go to the 2 hour and see if that suits it better. And in my opinion, right, it suits it better because there's less noise. Like, you got to know the noise level that you need, right? Sometimes you need more data. Sometimes you need less data so that you're not getting manipulated by the market. If you have too much information, but it's going to screw you over also if you have too little information, right? So this was nice. Pullback, drop, continuation, pullback, drop, continuation, pullback, drop, continuation. Really solid, really clean, and you're not just focusing on just the 4 hour time frame, because if you were, for all 3 of these setups, the momentum might have scared you away, kind of turned you off from the opportunity, and missed out on great opportunity, right? So same with this one, nice little opportunity, boom, and same with this one. there's a lot of momentum in the market, so you need more data, right? So goddamn, that's a lot of information I just, kind of put onto you guys. Hopefully it made sense. Let me know in the comments below if you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, guys, if you do share the video, be sure to send me a screenshot to my Instagram. I will be doing a giveaway for a one-on-one session, completely free, right? $0. It's completely free, so be sure to screenshot that you shared the video and send it to me on Instagram, and I will be looking out for a winner within the next 1 or 2 weeks. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Dropped out, ain't never get a job. Bitch, I'm independent, real raw.